Tay ko ken be. Give me, give. Dali. Give me. One lang. One lang. Cheap. Why, very good. Di mato duman ka mo.
Ano to? Bunyag.
Bunyag kagkasal.
Ay, pawa.
Mga abay naman. Abay
Abay. Abay. Di may motif do ka mo, may outfit do ka mo para sa. Ay, okay. Wow.
For baggage ka na siya.
Sulit-suliton. Three, two, one, go. Ikaw eh. Welcome to Cebu City. Sige, sige, dali. Sige, dali. Yeah. That's good. Ikaw. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, ate? Asa ate? Ate. Ha? Ate? Oh, ada dun.
Teacher, girl, teacher.
Tanawa sa YouTube, ha?
Take a shot of this.
Take a shout out there.
And there's gigantic buildings. Well, they're not theirs, but
You like to? What?
I wish I had my phone to.
Oh, it's raining there. Is that rain? Is that
Definitely
rain?
rain clouds, but no rain.
No rain. Is that fogs?
No.
In the afternoon?
No, it's actually rain clouds.
Rain clouds.
They're not raining. They're not dropping any water yet. So that makes sense.
Wow. Okay.
White clouds mean they're really empty, and rain clouds over there
Yeah.
look a little like it's about to either drop rain or in the countries not around the equator, snow.
Yeah. Oh.
Hello, gigantic Rubik's Cube. I can see you now.
You can see now there.
Gigantic Rubik's Cube. I mean, right.
Oh. I never noticed that. Not
It's like I don't know, maybe 1,000.1 million times bigger than an actual Rubik's Cube.
Oh.
It's a statue though to represent that outside with the cube at the front is the cubing of the SM City.
Yeah.
There's actually different branches of SM. There are different kinds of wings.
Yeah.
Back at my house in SM Colon,
I see.
it's just North Wing and South Wing. Sometimes it could be like more than just North Wing and South Wing. Like SM Seaside City, Cebu.
Oh, something like that. What do you think why there is a big Rubik's Cube in there?
To signify that is the cube of wing.
The cube of wing.
The next one after the cube wing is the sea view because it's pointing at the sea.
Wow, pointing at the sea.
I don't know what the other one is, but
Yeah.
and then the last one, the mountain view.
Yes.
That's why it's called the mountain view.
Mount-
The obvious.
Yeah, that's why we call Mountain View.
That also explains the gigantic tower.
What?
That also explains the gigantic tower.
Gigantic tower.
It's supposed to be a view to like the mountains.
Yeah.
And somehow that over there looks like a Vivo X80 385. Okay, relax.
Do you have some background about Cebu City?
Background
Yeah, idea about Cebu City. What is best delicacy in Cebu City? The best food in Cebu City that we need to taste, we need to eat. What is best in Cebu City?
Well, I don't think there's actually ever Cebu specific food over there.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever eaten one yet. Although the places like this recommend food for people who are not really eccentric but just want a premium experience. You could try going to something like a hotel. Usually SM has another hotel. Like Korean Park Inn hotels or some like SM City Bacolod.
Yeah.
They have building there are building or a new residence, for example.
Oh, example.
Or half finished building residence.
Yeah.
Unlike the other
Yeah, so, yeah.
It's supposed to be for like traveling only.
No,
there are
yeah, no hotels in the SM.
Yeah,
Only
but,
for
yeah, like travel stuff. There's actually some hotels around here, so keep in mind. There are also some hotels with the Wi-Fi.
yeah,
People who like use a lot of internet like me or
Yes.
study.
Wow.
Actually, I'm using the internet to download more Windows ISO.
Or Windows.
Something like I forgot its name, but yeah, that one has Wi-Fi. You could visit that in somewhere far from the city, but it's still
Oh, Cebu, Cebu. Ang botong sa naniigiyaw-yaw. Ada design. Oh, architect. Is that SMC side in Cebu?
There used to be an SM City, but although thanks to the stupid fire, that SM burned down. That's why we created that SM instead. Although, what's the worst, I think they could build the actual SM City Cebu, but
Yeah.
I think this one's better.
It's big.
really designed it. And of course, the gigantic Rubik's Cube.
Ah, yes.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, the buildings.
One of the newest
One of them.
buildings that has been built here in Cebu. Cebu, like the gigantic bridge. It's
Yeah.
been built since like 2019, 2023 maybe.
Yeah, something, yeah.
It's been finished and it's still new because, well, I've heard in a channel called National Geographic that
Yeah.
it's still building and that could be an old.
May panimbata sa nani.
Yes, and it's inspired by the Golden Red Gate.
Inspired by
I think it was the Golden Gate.
Golden Gate.
I don't know what's the name, but it's kind of like a bridge in San Francisco.
Ah, wow.
My coughs have stopped again.
You know what, in Cebu City, because I know that you have a good voice, and Cebu City there are many good singers coming from this city, the oldest city in the Philippines.
Yeah, the very first one. So, without Cebu City, there would be no Philippines.
Yeah. Why?
Because before Philippines was an actual country or even just an island,
Yeah.
it used to be a colony for the Spanish. Just like the USA used to be a colony for the English.
Or the English.
Yeah. England. Oh look, there's the SMQ.
SMQ.
Now you can see it. What's in the? You can zoom in a bit. So.
Yeah.
You can zoom in a bit so that you can actually see the cube themselves. You could zoom in the video, but for now it's really not visible to the camera. So sorry guys.
Sorry guys.
And as you can see,
Ay, nalubot ang iPhone.
Calling the attention of all the cans.
Ganito
Please
sa ganun.
proceed and stand by to respective conveying station. Prepare for docking. Mind your station forward and aft. Mind your station forward and aft. Stand by. All the cans, stand by now.
And some eroded buildings that could be
Look at now the design of that
cross. And there it is. We're actually pretty near. The pier is actually pretty near to Robinson's Galleria.
wow.
And I think those tower things, I think they're rings. So, sadly, this is gonna be the last day of my travel in Cebu because, well, I have to go home tomorrow.
Go to?
Go back home in
You
my
have to go
island, in my
home.
home island. Oh, raining!
It's raining.
Raining! 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 Raining!
From?
Negros.
Negros.
Island. It's pretty near here.
It's
If
near?
you can see it the map, but it's actually
Davao. Pauli? Airplane. Ugma.
again! Oh, the rain!
Kamu asa mo adto?
Ito, siguro mo.
Cebu lang diri nyo ha. Nag-unsa man di kag Bohol?
Pista mo.
Ana mista? Asa dapit sa Bohol?
Ito, siguro na.
Si Katunan. Ato mag mirror? Here we go.
Docking time!
Docking time.
Raining is so is one of the mother stations. When the heat, for example, when the heat is going to the water,
To the water.
it starts to evaporate up into the clouds.
Then?
Something like as dew or steam, as like when you cook your own spaghetti. When you're starting to cook your spaghetti pasta.
Yeah.
When it gets a little bit too heavy for the clouds to handle,
Trundle.
it rains.
Pour. Ayan.
Sometimes when it gets very cold before the rain drops, the raindrops freezes. And then the fall snow. Unfortunately, there's no snow in Philippines, so
There's no snow. There's no.
I haven't experienced snow.
Yeah, where?
Like I never experienced it. I never been in like other.
Nakasabot kasi ang istorya. Okay, let's go. We have to prepare for the arrival. And we'll go downstairs.
Those
Come here.
downstairs. Oh,
Yeah.
that's my baby brother and my tatay.
Yes, baby brother and tatay. Oh, hello.
Public ka na keno.
Your nanay, where's your nanay?
Over there.
Over there.
With my lola and my auntie.
Auntie?
And my auntie's lola.
Yeah, auntie. She's your lola.
Yeah, my lola's lola.
My lola's lola. They are sisters.
Yeah, I know they're sisters. I know they're like she's like the kid of her, the grandchild of her. Lola's lola.
The lola's lola. Our video.
Once again, subscribe to his channel and not mine.
Yay! DODZ TOUR TA! Bye-bye! Ha?
Nasa dapit Cebu nyo.
Cebu, sa amo Dira sa Magellan's Cross.
Yan, hindi naman ko na.
Kamu layo pa inyo? Masakay pa mo agkuan. Namista sa si Katuna dahil sila. Yato na mi. Ay. Salamat. Uy, ulan. Gani. Timing pud kayo. Magpuput.